Hi, Simon Onelumo is my name and I welcome you to Ghana Statistical Service. In order to ensure that users of statistical information do not struggle in getting statistical data, Ghana Statistical Service has developed 4 user-centric statistical product targeted at different users. The first digital product is the Statsbank. To access the Statsbank, you open your browser and type statsbank.statghana.gov.ga. This opens you to an interface where you have the opportunity to select the particular data you are interested in. That would be the population and housing census data or some basic macroeconomic indicators. So to do so, I click on View More and it takes me to an interface where I select the particular indicator I'm interested in. So I select on literacy and education, and then I select literacy status of population 6 years and older. It also brings me to this interface. So I select the 2 categories, that is not literate and literate. And then I click on the regional hierarchy, which opens me up to all the regions, and under each region are districts. So if I open Northeast region, then I select all the districts under the Northeast region. Then I'm interested in extracting the table disaggregated by sex, that is male, female, and also for persons 11 to 14 years. So once the selection is done, you click on Show Table. This presents the table in this format. There's a pivot manual key here which allows you to arrange the table in the order in which you want it to appear. So I click on literacy status and sex, I move it to columns, and then I complete. Once I complete, it rearranges the table for literate and non-literate population disaggregated by sex. If I'm interested in showing percentage alongside the absolute numbers, I click on Edit and Calculate, then I click on percent. So the percent, I'm doing the percentage by showing original data alongside the percentages. So if I say continue, I'm doing the computation of the percentages over literacy status, and once I complete, it presents the information in this particular format. In this example, we save the results as an Excel file, and once I click on Save, it generates the table I am interested in. And once you open the table, you see the data presented in this format with some metadata explaining the age limits for which literacy is defined. The next statistical product is the Digital Census Atlas. This data portal presents already prepared indicators at a district level in a map. For this demonstration, I'll illustrate how to assess statistics for literate population across all districts in Ghana. The target of this data portal is for policymakers who are interested in already prepared statistics for planning purposes. So to access data, you open your browser and then you type phcgeospatialresult.netlify.app. So if I click on literacy rate, it opens up this interface, and this shows statistics for literacy rate for all regions in Ghana as you hover around the map. So you are able to know the literacy rate for each region. If I'm interested in disaggregations, I click on female, and then the population or the literacy rate changes. Now, if I'm interested in assessing statistics for this particular indicator at a district level, I zoom in, and as I zoom in, it changes to the district level. So if you hover around the map, you are able to assess literacy rate for each district, disaggregated for male and female. This digital product also allows you to link the indicator to a particular table in the Statsbank. To do so, you click on the link literacy status of population, and this takes you to the Statsbank table that generates this particular indicator literacy rate. The next digital platform is the Ghana Graded Data. This platform allows you to access statistics lower than the district level. To access this platform, you open your browser and you type geospatial.statghana.gov.gh. At the first glance, statistics on the indicators for the entire population is displayed. If you are interested in statistics at a lower level, you zoom in the map, and as you zoom in, the statistics on the indicators changes. If I'm interested in statistics at a lower level, I use the lasso key to do the selection of the area of interest. Once I select, it displays statistics on the indicators for the selected area. If I'm interested in statistics lower than the selected area, for example, the gridded cells, if I click on each of the cells, it displays statistics for each of the cells I've selected. If I'm interested in understanding how the platform works, I click on the key here, which displays information on how the platform was developed and how to navigate through the platform. The last product is the microdata website. To access the microdata website, you open your browser and you type microdata.statghana.gov.gh. This opens you up to a list of microdata sets hosted on this page. In this example, I'll be demonstrating how to access the microdata for the Population and Housing Census 2021. I click on the data set I'm interested in, then you go to Get Microdata. If you are a new user, you register with your credentials, but if you've registered before, you log in with your credentials. So I log in with my credentials, and that's my email address and the password. Then I click login. It takes me back to the list of the product. So my interest is to access microdata for Population and Housing Census. I click on it and it takes me to this interface. I click on Get Microdata and I have the opportunity to download the microdata set in any format. So once you click download, you are able to download the data. Thank you.